lizards, birds and insects are the normal quarry. But for a few weeks a year, there's much more on offer. Marine iguanas prefer to keep to the water's edge, but during the nesting season, females must brave it inland to find soft soil in which to lay their eggs. But she must go carefully. The hawk patiently waits to see if she drops her guard. She's reasonably safe close to her nest burrow. But stray too far from cover, and she's courting trouble.
The buffalo know that if they stand and face the wolves, they have the advantage. Sometimes these standoffs can last for days. But if this strategy were foolproof, there wouldn't be any wolves. Eventually, the buffalo lose their nerve and make a run for it. I can see how the wolves are testing the buffalo, looking for a young animal or one that is struggling. During the winter, the buffalo have to break trail, running through the deep snow. They tire more quickly than the wolves. Scattering through the bush forces the wolves to split up and reduces their effectiveness. But Storm is not distracted. He's got a lock on his prey. It's a yearling calf. Storm is such a huge wolf, he's able to bring this 300-kilogram animal to a stop, all by himself.
These are the first intimate images of snow leopard ever filmed in the wild. She greets her one-year-old cub. Her den is well chosen. It has exceptional views of the surrounding cliffs. On these treacherous slopes, no hunter other than a snow leopard would have a chance of catching such agile prey. female with young makes an easier target. Her large paws give an excellent grip, and that long tail helps her balance. Silently, she positions herself above her prey. But here, there are not just 2, but 3 cheetahs. A band of brothers. They have changed their tactics, and by doing so, have taken their prey by surprise. They have learnt that, working together, they can bring down large prey. An ostrich, a bird that towers over a cheetah and is more than twice as heavy. It can't fly to escape danger, but it can lash out with a deadly kick. A female, unaware as yet of any danger. Even with 3 of them, this is still highly risky. If one gets injured, the other 2 couldn't hope to tackle such large prey. On the other hand, if they get it right, the rewards are huge. The male has spotted one of the brothers, but only one. It's not too worried. Then suddenly there are 3. The female is slower to realize the danger, and the cheetahs switch targets. It takes the combined effort and weight of all 3 brothers to bring down this powerful bird. Even now, the ostrich could land a fatal kick.
A lesser jerboa. A hunter needs super senses to find such small, sparse prey. The Rupel's desert fox has ears 20 times more sensitive than our own. The jerboa tries to hide, but the hole's not deep enough. fox's sensitive nose tells him exactly where to dig. There's a sneaky back door. If he can squeeze through. Time for the jerboa to reveal his own secret weapon. Legs like a kangaroo. The jerboa can hop more than 10 times its own body length. But long legs don't make it easy to hide. They come into their own when the only option left is to run for it. Sometimes getting over is tough. Better to go under. The jerboa's quick, but the fox is quicker. The jerboa's only hope is to outmaneuver, and he has one last trick up his sleeve. Hairy feet. A shock of hair on the sole of his feet grips the sand for a quick turn. Desert survival requires sensible footwear. Tonight, the desert fox goes hungry.